Hello friends, my name is Sarah. We are going to learn about light today. So light is what travels around us. Look everywhere you see. Light will be everywhere, except in the night. So there's little waves that travel like this around us, but they're not real, but you cannot see them too. Now I'm going to teach you about pictures. So the sun doesn't just make red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It makes ultraviolet, far red, X-rays, gamma rays. These are all the stuff that the sun makes. And also prism. The prism makes rainbows. We already learned about prisms. Now we are going to talk about how the sun makes the things to appear in a different color. So here is an orange. So why is the orange orange? So every wave that could go into orange, except the orange color wave could just vent out. That's why it appears orange to our eyes. Now I have a green leaf. The leaf is now observing every color except green, because green is the color it doesn't observe because the leaf is green. So now we want to talk about this. Where everything is that color, it observes every color except the color it is. So now I have a picture. It's a picture of a banana. This banana, all the colors all the colors in the whole wide world, it observes, but it just doesn't observe yellow. That is the color it doesn't observe. I have a picture of 3 balls. The white ball. The white ball, when the sun is there with the white ball doesn't observe every color. When the color rays go in, it just goes away. The red ball. The red ball, naturally, with the sun next to it, it observes every color, then gets the red color out. That's why we see it red with our eyes. The black ball. The black ball, if there's the sun with the black ball, every color the black ball observes even black. The stuff that are black don't have any light, so it observes all the light, but when it observes all the light, that's why we see black to our eyes. So we're going to do a little experiment. I have a bowl of ice and a black paper and a white paper. So when the sun gives the light to the black paper, the black paper observes every color. When the sun gives the light to the white paper paper doesn't observe any color. Let's test it out by having an ice cube on the white paper or the black paper. Which one do you think will melt first? I think this paper. Wait for some time to see which one melts first. The one on the black one is small, and the one in the big one is still remaining. I'll show you. Ice on the black sheet. This is the ice on the white sheet. Which one do you think has melted more? This one, right? The ice on the black paper. The ice on the black paper melted faster because it observed everything. The ice on the white paper didn't melt faster than the black one is because it did not observe anything. So remember this, black observes everything and white doesn't observe anything. What would you wear if it was a super hot day? A white dress, right? Because you did not want to get super duper hot for you to feel like you're in a desert.